this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again.
I don't see a day what dog can want. And EJ can want. The day ratio more. Say a day what dog can want. And EJ can want. The day ratio more.
Since the days of Baba Yara, we've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Shamokwe, we've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Ishmaelado, we've been there. We've been there. Division 1 League is back again. So this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. Division 1 League is back again. Since the days of Abedi Pele, we've been there. We've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. And the days of Ebo Smith, we've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Division 1 League is back again. Division 1 League is back again. Hey mama, hey mama, it's back again. Women's Premier League is back again. I say Women's Premier League is back again. Hey mama, it's back again. Tell everybody, tell them. Everybody, go tell everybody to be.
So, live commentary from Dance Park, Babiani Ghost Stars, and the Porcupine Warriors, Accra to Folk, Eddie Ebony, we are Ghana Premier League now, match day 3,
the Premier League.
We are match day 3, and the first game now, to form our Babiani Dance Park, Babiani Ghost Stars, and Asante Kotoko. Live commentary. Ebesu. Ewa hinkan 93.3 so. Ene game back na ebaso. Babiani Ghost Stars. Ene Asante Kotoko. Edi game no edi ebani. Afei echina ebetua so. Per info kita mo ha no echina 2 games na ebaso. Dreams FC ene Accra Lions na ebo. Afei Legon Cities enso ene Accra Great Olympics enso edi ebani. Enti echina memenda game way na ebaso afei wonu chem kwasiada ebetoa so hono eye Accra so folk ene Aduana Stars na di ebani game no na ese uhwehwehwema 3:00 na ebaso ewo Accra Sports Stadium afei King Faisal enso ene eye Asgold enso ede Elvin Tam so kwasiada na sa game no ebaso Karela United enso etna fie ono so batunsa edi afre brekum Chelsea nam di game no enso edi abani Techiman 11 Wonders enso ni Midiama Sporting Club na ebo afre Rotmal United enso any West Africa Football Academy enso di baboni na afre Betram United enso atina fiatunsa edi afre Elimina Sharks inti way games a Ghana Premier League no Made 3 no ebaso nanso enede game baako na ebaso Babiani Ghost Stars ene Kumasi Metema Santiko doko enchebe uremu baby ania emrante maji pinesia kanema baby ani Ghost Stars no yaw ansa fofro edapo mu afe kwakudua Emmanuel Odai Charles K. Jemfi Samuel Prince Ousu afe Michael Enu Richard Amoa Yaya Adraman Kingsford Buafo Nuru Sule Rafe Yakubu Diait Enti wemu ya mrante ne Amokonkoden Ede Shia Kumasi Matema Santikodoko NS Kusiti Bench Nicholas Obo Sunsuti Bench Samuel Amofati Bench Enti say Enane Babiani Omo lining up Edi Shia Kumasi Matema Santikodoko Oko Piemo Kotoko Kachia Emrantia Amokonkodin Dama Kotokono Sene City Razaka Berora Ene o captain team no o da promo Karma Santi Kodoko Christopher Nete Afei Andri Sapel Maxwell Ajimai Patrick Asma Patrick Bua Afei Salifu Mudasiru Raymond Lamte Fabio Gama Isaac Opon and Afei Samuel Boateng Mrs. Ubiewa Razaka ya Berora Christopher Nete Andri Sapel Maxwell Ajimai Patrick Asma Richard Boadu Salifu Mudasiru Richmond Lamte Fuakwa Ahinsan Nema Inteneno Wemusu ya mrante mu kunkodeno Alama Kumasi Matema Santikodoko Sekuna ya Muga Futena Plene Teta Muga Fugala Muga Futena Plene Teta Muga Fugala Sekuna ya Asina Kasian confirma Simple computers neno CCTV and afei electronic fence installation and afei maintenance na pesa ya go pie mo makache afei automated gate and a biofuel digester and also simple yebi access control intercom alarm and afei intruder system and also simple yebi anya no kwa upiema ya sign aton ay laptops and afei PC TV home theater afei mouse nsudo ni chemo no benya biato na honum pe enokita 5 cedis obetonya mouse ato na bia so akoye dia ma e bia won so laptop na so PC na say ena peso ton bibi ana so peso siesia enfoni chemo ba bia ena ne simple computers akache afei white hunyoma bia remu wa simple na fei ontwane kama mfama security access nso no simple yebi afasin fanto ani se na mabosu nyina e bia wono woni ji computer juma yo pese osua bia e ba cho fresh simple I was 0249 500 277 0249 500 277 I said 054 3537 422 na on a simple computer setting come on na fei o computer o TV aseno wako sesina bibia so akoye dia ma enti yabaka man so yenya eye Isla ewa man so Isla yemu akwaba e de ba hinkan na 3.3 so na bibia bako de na wusa tempo no high ene Ghana Premier League no match day 3 games no a chance boboku andin ed bebiani Ghost Stars ene Santico ko na di abani o bebiani wona o bebiani sene bebiani pitch no eso etie
ya Emma Achefoina Akaba and Famra Dance Park. Now, and Bibiani Costa Elbow Home against Kumasia Santi Kodoko. Monday 3 our 2021-2022 soccer season. Our Ghana Premier League name. Now, over Dance Park, Makasa Wadano, a good Edema Association football. Now, and I'm saying Bibiani Costa, and I had a first time about a Western offer. Will be a Ghana Premier League, I pay and a Western of India. What will be into Obapaka? Makata Party Aboma Papa. Now, one more good journey, Bebe, and Omu Agwet. Samay Mikata. 2 teams, no, any rap is Nina Atima Bapaka. And Chakra, team, no, edit me after day.
Okay, it's me. Now line up no Sunday City boymu.
And line up no AC alcohol any. Ahenkai 93.